A 32-bit wide main memory unit with a capacity of 1 GB is built using 256 MB by 4-bit DRAM chips. The number of rows of memory cells in the DRAM chip is 2 raised to 14. The time taken to perform one refresh operation is 50 nanoseconds. The refresh period is 2 milliseconds. The percentage of the time available for performing the memory read or write operations in the main memory unit is dash. So this is a question from Digital Logic. In this question they are asking us about DRAM chip refreshals. So in dynamic RAMs we need periodic refreshals to maintain the charge in it. Without it the data would be lost. So in this question they have given us that the time taken to perform one refresh operation is 15 nanoseconds, which is nothing but the time taken to refresh one row in the DRAM chip. So whatever information regarding the size is not relevant to solve this question. So they have given us that the time taken to refresh one row is 50 nanoseconds, which is 50 into 10 raised to minus 9 seconds. And the number of rows is 2 power 14. The total time taken will be the number of rows multiplied by the time to refresh each row. On calculating this, we will see that it is 0.819 milliseconds. They have given us that the refresh period is 2 milliseconds. So every 2 milliseconds this refresh will happen. So the percentage of time spent in refreshing is 0.819 by 2, which is nothing but 40.9 percentage. Therefore the percentage of time for read write is 59.1 percentage, which is 59 percentage, rounding it to the closest integer, and that is the answer.